Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove or hide add to cart button on Shopify. Now this is a quick tutorial and easy. So what you guys need to do, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Okay, like I said, this is a quick tutorial and it's not going to take you any time. Now first I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to go to my own Shopify store and I'm going to open a random product here. Now as you can see guys, I can see this add to cart button. As you can see, it's annoying, of course, because a lot of people, all they do is add to cart. Okay, they don't really purchase the item, or they just forgot that they have added this product to the cart. So to remove it's very easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to go to the dashboard of your Shopify store and then you want to click on online store here. As you can see, keep in mind this is going to work on all themes. So what you guys need to do next, you want to click on these three little dots here next to customize, and then you want to click on edit code. Don't worry, this is not complicated or anything. Okay, just scroll down and now you want to click on assets here, above locals, click on assets, and then you want to scroll down and find this file. It's called base.css. Now if you can't find base.css, you want to click on something like theme.css. okay, because this is going to be different depending on the theme you are using for your Shopify. Now something like, make sure you click on something that ends with .css, okay, like base, okay, .css or theme.css. Now after that you want to click on that file or base.css and scroll at the very bottom, and you want to paste this code that I'm going to add in the description of this video. Click on save. Now I'm going to check if the add to cart button has been removed or hidden. Now as you can see, okay, it's very easy. Like now people can now buy from you directly. They don't have an option to add this product to the cart. Okay, that's good. Okay, so you can try it if it works and see if people really engage with the product. Like test it. Now if it doesn't work or you don't like it, you want to get back add to cart button, go to the exact same file, scroll down at the very bottom, remove the code, and then click on save. All right, and now I'm going to go back to the product page, and as you can see, the add to cart button is back. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. Please drop a like, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one.